B9 S4, is it bad for the engine or transmission to do free rev when rolling by putting the car in neutral while rolling to get some burbles while rolling?
I mean, you can burble without putting it in neutral.
Yeah, but no, it's not,
You can see
it's
like
not bad
the
for
sounds.
anything.
I mean, yeah, just some little blips. It's fine.
I mean, even hard blips aren't really bad.
No, I'm saying like it's not going to be like
Yeah.
you're not doing it for like an hour sustained or
Yeah.
anything. Like it's just going to be some revving here and there.
Yeah.
It'll deal with it. There is like the don't get your car towed in neutral stuff. That is bad for transmissions over extended periods. But that's also with the
Right.
engine typically not running because then fluid pumps and whatnot are not turning. So that might be where some of that stems from.
It seems like it would be bad. Revving an engine feels kind of harsh and violent to do, but there's no load on the engine. The rev limiter is going to stop the engine from spinning too fast. So it's really not hard on it.
It's the least stressed you can increase the revs on a motor.
Yeah, you can rev up engines a lot. Gotta be careful. Like if you're sitting still and you're doing a lot of revving, there's not a lot of airflow. So if you're generating a lot of heat, then at some point that heat can be problematic. But it's a pretty extreme situation.
If you ever see like the Cars and Coffee or cruise videos where there's like Lamborghinis catching on fire from parking lot revving action,
and they're usually doing like launch control.
Yeah, they're just sitting on
there's a lot of timing retard and a lot like flames coming out the exhaust. So things back there get hot, but the engine doesn't care.
Yeah.